Today, let's cook some red snapper in 3 flavor sauce. Put some salt in there. Wash the fish so the fish is not stinky and fishy. Maybe 1 pound, 1.5 pound whole red snapper. After you wash out, do like this on your fish. Both sides. Put some vegetable oil. I soak some vegetable oil in here because I'm gonna use the air fryer to cook so fish is not too dry. A little bit of salt. I would recommend you put the fish in vegetable oil probably 5 minutes, so oil is soaked in the fish. Okay, let's put the fish in the air fry. Lay your fish like this in the air fryer. Fish in there. Temperature 350 and cook time 20 minutes. See you about 20 minutes. Okay, while the fish cooking, let's go prepare the sauce. Cilantro from my garden downstairs. Two tablespoons of vegetable oil. Put some chopped garlic in there. Sweet and sour sauce. Some red onion and a little bit red bell pepper. As is tamarind juice. This salt. I have no sugar add to because this sauce, therefore, is already sweet. It's really sweet. So I'm not add more. If you like more sweet, add white sugar. I add half cup plain water. Use like 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. You like spicy, add some chili. This one I cook for my husband, so that's why it's not spicy. And last thing you would do, put some cilantro in it. The flavor is sour, sweet, and a little bit salty. Time for to shake the fish in here. Been in here 20 minutes. Look at that. Wow. Alright, now time for decoration the place for the fish. This my vegetable from my basement, my garden in the basement. This flower from bok choy. I'm gonna put it in here. That means this flower edible.